Other thing we talked about was like there's big chains now coming out and making like keto bowls or these are our keto friendly options. And on one part it's like, oh, they're just looking at a marketing ploy.
Right.
But on the other part, there actually may be some benefit to it because of the awareness. So what are your thoughts on some of that?
Yeah, I mean, I think that it is really good. I mean, I think we're always going to have people who are jumping on because of the buzz of it. But I think ultimately the fact that keto is making that big of an impact now, like I'm just so excited about it because when I started 4 years ago, I'd be like, I didn't even say keto right. Like if you watch my first videos, I'm like keto, like I don't even know like what I was saying, but no one was talking about it. So for me to be able to see like major food companies, even if they weren't like historically like my favorite, the fact that they're acknowledging the demand to me is like showing a really great promise that this is really here to stay and that this is what the consumers are demanding, and that's great. So I still think with that, like people are going to have to also be educated as to like what things are good options and what things aren't, and to ultimately make that decision for yourself. But like we were talking about, like with the salad bowls with Chipotle, some people have not gone there because they didn't know that it was an option. Because you think of Chipotle and you think of like beans and rice and burritos and stuff. So I think it's great for people to know about, and then you just still have to make that decision based on whatever the offering is.